Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the US state of Minnesota, but we assist customers from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services on their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. One of the services that our customers most frequently ask us to perform is the removal of the Google account security lock feature on an Android device, also known as the FRP lock for factory reset protection. It's something that Google initiated back in about Android 5 to where when a device is factory reset without first removing the Google account that's on it, it's then going to ask for that account again as a security measure after the reset has been performed. Now, here with us today, we happen to have an LG K30 that is originally from T-Mobile here in the US. And this is a device that does have the Google account lock enabled because as we can see here, as we're going through the setup steps, we get to the screen that tells us that the device was reset. And to continue, we have to sign in with an account that was previously on the device. And that's basically exactly what the lock consists of. So only the original account will actually let you log back in, so you're not able to get in with just any Google account. Now, we've been contacted by tons of customers over the years asking us for assistance with this specific issue, usually either because they themselves accidentally got locked out of their own device and couldn't remember or couldn't recover their login information, or because they were sold the device by a dishonest seller who didn't tell them that the lock was enabled. And then after the buyer purchased the phone, they of course found the lock on the phone. They didn't have the login information and the seller had long since disappeared. It's a very common scam that happens these days, unfortunately, with the buying and selling of used mobile devices. But we're making this video to let any interested customers know that we do offer a service to be able to remove this specific lock from this model device without having to have the previous login information. It's something that we do directly to the device while it is plugged into a computer. And the great thing about this procedure is that it's something that we can do for just about anyone, anywhere in the world. So you don't necessarily need to be located here in our local area in order for us to be able to do this for you. You just need to have a decently powerful Windows computer along with a fast internet connection, and we can remotely connect right to your computer through the internet and perform the exact same procedure that we're doing right here, right now. So we are finishing up our unlock program here as it's running, and it's going to need just another minute or two to finish up. So I'm going to go ahead and just fast forward the rest of the video so that we can keep this as short as possible and skip to the end where you'll be able to see the final results of the lock being removed. So one sec here. Okay, so it has now restarted and we should be able to start going all the way through the setup steps now. So we're going to go ahead and hit that, and we're going to skip the SIM card, and it's going to check for updates. We don't need to copy any apps or data. And now if you notice, it's asking us to sign in with any Google account instead of specifically needing the one that we previously had on it. So that is a very good indication that the lock has actually been removed. We're going to go ahead and just skip that for now, though, and keep going. Skip all the Google services. We don't need to put a screen lock on the phone, so we're going to skip that. And we have to agree to all the terms and conditions. And then we're going to choose our home layout. And there we go. We've got the home screen loading up. We should have full access to all of the apps and settings and features, and this is just like a brand new device that never had the lock on there. While I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and jump into the settings just to show you exactly what we are working with. So if we go under the About Phone section, we will indeed be able to see that we do have an LG K30 here. And then if I go under hardware info, it's going to show us the model number here and the X410TK is specifically what we're working with here. So that's specifically the T-Mobile version of the K30. So if you have a T-Mobile LG K30 and need help getting the Google lock removed from it, we would love to help you out with that. So go ahead and get in touch with us. All of our contact info will be right down in the video description, and I'll also put a slide at the end of the video here that has all of the details there as well. While you're here, make sure to check out some of the other videos that we have here on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for a lot of different devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could come in handy someday. Hitting that subscribe button while you're there will also enable you to be notified of all the new videos and services that we're constantly adding and putting up, just like this one. Y para todos ustedes hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great rest of your day.